tech's really booming high in trade. In fact, consulting major Accenture's results have come in ahead of expectations, underlining the fact that demand is returning now to the IT sector. What implications do Accenture's numbers have for Indian IT companies? Chandra Shrikant joins in to analyze that. Chandra?
Accenture's numbers have a lot of positive read-throughs for the Indian IT sector. The fact that the demand environment is improving in the US is a very positive sign, because remember, North America is Indian IT's biggest technology market. Also the fact that consulting related bookings have gone up for Accenture, that's another positive, because it means that discretionary spend is coming back in the sector. So it's certainly good news at a time when IT budgets are being prepared. Now specifically, if you look at the various aspects of the results, the fact that on-premise ERP is showing sign of weakness, that could be a negative for Infosys and HCL Tech, because they have a lot of exposure to this segment. Also the fact that healthcare is showing a lot of traction could end up being a positive for companies such as Hexaware, Cognizant, and of course Firstsource, which have a higher exposure to healthcare. Also the fact that BPO is showing a lot of traction is positive for TCS, which is very active in that segment. So a whole host of read-throughs there, but largely positive, because Accenture's numbers have come in ahead of expectations, and the forecast for the rest of the year is also very positive.